Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser V8 Volt Edition marks a significant evolution in Toyota's lineup, blending the legendary durability and off-road prowess of the Land Cruiser with modern hybrid technology. This model caters to enthusiasts seeking both performance and environmental consciousness. Design and exterior. The 2025 Land Cruiser V8 Volt Edition retains the iconic, rugged aesthetic that has defined the series for decades. Its boxy silhouette is complemented by a bold front grille featuring the classic Toyota emblem, flanked by LED headlights that provide enhanced visibility. The vehicle's high ground clearance and robust fender flares underscore its off-road capabilities, while sleek lines and refined details add a touch of modern sophistication. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Land Cruiser offers a harmonious blend of luxury and functionality. The cabin accommodates 5 passengers across 2 rows of seating, providing ample space for both occupants and cargo. Premium materials, such as leather-trimmed seats and soft-touch surfaces, enhance comfort during long journeys. The driver-centric dashboard is equipped with intuitive controls, ensuring ease of use whether navigating city streets or rugged terrains. Hybrid powertrain. At the heart of the V8 Volt Edition is an advanced hybrid powertrain. This system combines a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering a total output of 326 horsepower. This setup not only provides robust performance but also improves fuel efficiency compared to traditional V8 engines. The hybrid system ensures immediate torque delivery, enhancing both on-road acceleration and off-road capability. Off-road capabilities. True to its heritage, the 2025 Land Cruiser is engineered for exceptional off-road performance. It features a full-time 4-wheel drive system with low-range gearing, allowing drivers to tackle challenging terrains with confidence. The vehicle is equipped with locking differentials to maintain traction on uneven surfaces. Additionally, the suspension system is designed to absorb shocks from rough trails, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the landscape. Technology and features. The Land Cruiser V8 Volt Edition comes equipped with a suite of modern technologies aimed at enhancing both convenience and safety. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen display with navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium audio system for an immersive listening experience. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind during every journey. Pricing. In the United States, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser starts at $57,445. In Pakistan, the Land Cruiser is available at an ex-factory price of PKR 120 million for the ZX gasoline 3.5 litres variant. It's important to note that prices may vary based on trim levels, optional features, and regional taxes or import duties. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser V8 Volt Edition successfully merges the classic attributes of reliability and off-road mastery with contemporary hybrid technology and luxury. This model is poised to appeal to a new generation of drivers who value environmental responsibility without compromising on performance or comfort. For a visual overview of the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser V8 Volt Edition and a detailed look at its main components, You can watch the following video.